This lecture we are going to discuss about three different questions. What is a set? What is its formal definition? And what are the necessary conditions for sets? When we say set, it means that collection of anything. Here anythings mean some elements, objects and anything. So when we take a collection of anything, then we call it a set. So when we say a set, it means that a collection of objects, collection of elements, collection of things. So set is a collection of something. For example, in your kitchen, you must have a dinner set. And if you like to play games, hopefully you have a collection of games. So collection of games make a set, as dinner set also as in the name, so it is a set. That's it. Set is a collection of well defined and distinct objects. In definition, two things are very important. First is collection must be well defined. Collection must be well defined, and objects of collection must be distinct. So what is well defined and what is distinct? So there are two necessary conditions. First is collection must be well defined and objects of collection must be distinct. So what is well defined and what is distinct? So let's start explaining the well defined. Well defined mean you clearly define everything in the set. In simple word, we can always tell what is and what is not a member of set. For example, in this set you are able to define everything in the set. You define red, red is a color, you define it. Blue, you can also define it. Green and white, these four are different color, so you can easily define these color. So it's mean that this set is well defined. The second necessary condition is set must be distinct. It means that objects are not repeating in a set. For example, in this set you easily let check these two elements, these two objects are repeating, so this set is not distinct. If this set is not distinct, then this collection is not a set. So let's check this set. Here you can easily watch that 11 come in twice. So we say that distinct mean objects are not repeating in a set. Here two objects, two numbers, two elements are repeating. So it's mean that this collection is also not a set.